Hi everyone, welcome to STEMophile. I'm Imran Shah, and in this video, I'll show you a fantastic way to quickly run your C programs without dealing with complex setups. We are going to use the CodeRunner extension in Visual Studio Code to make our lives easier. Before we dive into the installation, let me explain why CodeRunner is a great tool. Normally, running C programs requires you to open a terminal and type commands to compile and run your code. With CodeRunner, you can run your code with just a click, speeding up your workflow. Let's get started. First, open VS Code, go to the Extensions tab, and search for CodeRunner. Click on it, click Install, and it will be ready in seconds. Now, let's write a simple C program to test it out. I'll write the classic Hello World program. Once you are done, you can either press Ctrl+Alt+N or click on the Run Code button on the top right. The output will appear directly inside VS Code. You can also click here. If you want to customize CodeRunner's behavior, like clearing previous output automatically, click the gear icon next to the extension and then select Extension Settings. Check the Clear Previous Output option. This ensures your output is clean every time you run new code, which is great for readability. By default, CodeRunner displays output in the Output tab, but you can't provide input there. If your program requires input, make sure to enable the Run in Terminal option. This will allow you to run your code in the terminal, where you can interact with it properly. Now that I've applied these settings, let's run the code again. As you can see, the previous output is cleared, and the program runs in the terminal, where I can provide input if needed. These features really improve the user experience. Some of you might run into issues like the code not compiling. This usually happens when you don't have MinGW properly installed. Make sure you have a working C compiler setup. You can find a link in the description below to my third video where I show you how to properly install Visual Studio Code along with the MinGW compiler. Check it out if you need help with the setup. If you are still unsure how compiling and running C programs works, don't worry, you can watch this video where I break it down step by step. If this helps you simplify your coding setup, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to STEMophile for more coding tips. See you next time and happy coding!